See what I found. Whoa. Whoa. It's a Riley. Whoa. Look at this. Yeah. And this was my great find. Whoa. Look at this. I found this in Nicosia. Look at what I found. Look at what I found. This is Velvet Streets. We look out for old vintage cars and probably propose their restoration. This is vintage. Yeah, I just found a masterpiece. Velvet Streets. I just found a masterpiece. Whoa. Okay, let's see if the companies can